Woo! Alright, good morning everyone. David here with another video, and today we are going to a secret spot, sick jump line that Big Booty Chris invited me to. So we're gonna go over there and send some sick jumps. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. Can't wait to get out there and yeah, let's get to rocking and rolling. Woo! Alright, right here at an undisclosed location. That's how I ride crooked. I ride crooked all the time. But we're gonna shuttle this whole thingamajiggy. That's all I can say. And we're gonna have some fun! Woo! Alright boys, putting the goggles on. Kind of walked it a little bit, but you know, we ain't stopping. We're going full pull. First run. I'm ready.
Let's get it.
Let's get it, boy. Oh. Woohoo!
You get everything?
Yeah, that was sick.
Sick. Nice job.
Woohoo!
Ready?
Yep. Going in this blind, boys. Oh! Oh! Woohoo!
You get it?
Yeah.
Sick. You went left to the tree stump?
Yeah, I was so offline. And I looked, I was like, I think if I get too cranked, I'll be fine. Just cranked it, kind of pulled up a bit, just landed, and I look up, and I see the big one, I'm like, oh, I gotta get this one under here. And I just pulled up, just,
Yeah, that's dope, dude. That's sick. You didn't even look at it.
No, that was sketchy, because I just saw like the back face. I was like, I think I gotta go fast for this one. I kind of pulled up extra, and I landed perfectly on it.
Ready?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, no speed. Dude, the wind was sketchy on that one.
Yeah, I felt it too.
I was like, whoa!
With it though.
Yeah.
What line do you want to take?
Right.
Right.
Gotta clean up that berm and then hit that little hip.
Alright.
Ay.
You ready?
I'm ready. Ready, Freddy. Oh, so nose heavy. Oh my god. Oh, overcooked it. Oh, it's so soft. Ooh.
It's recording?
Yeah, dog. Perfecto. Alright, so Chris got the camera. He's the follow cam man. Yeah, we're gonna shred this thing. Sometimes we get those gusts of winds and it's a little sketchy, but you know, we're just gonna send it, dude. Ready?
Let's get it.
I'm not ready. Oh.
David's first time leading.
Oh.
See how he does. You want to do it again? Hey, David.
Alright, we're gonna do a run. We got the camera posted down there on the gapper. We're gonna send it. Yep, what? Let's get it.
Oh!
Yeah.